Okay, this is a wonderful question on circles because there's a lot going on. It says to calculate the area of the circle. Now, to do that, we need to find the radius, but they've only given us this length here, and then they've given us some lines through the circle. So what are we going to do? Well, this is a circle theorems question. So let's look at the circle theorems that we know, we can see going on. Right, there's a circle theorem. Sometimes I call this the bow tie circle theorem. Basically says that if you get this bow tie, then these two will be equal and these two will be equal. So if we see the bow tie, here it is, and that means that this is also equal to 28. These are angles in the same segment. I don't think, it doesn't say I need to show justification, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, another circle theorem. Because I've got a line, I've actually got the diameter in here. This makes me think, right, what's the circle theorem that involves the diameter? And that is that, so if we've got the center here, this is 90 degrees. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So I can say that that is 90. And this is great because now what do I have? I'm going to draw this triangle out here. Okay, and I've got a triangle, it's got 90 degrees, I've got 6.4 here, and I've got 28 degrees here. And I want to work out the diameter basically. Okay, what is this question mark? Right, well this is turned into a trigonometry problem. So I've got 6.4 is the opposite, and this is no, it's not the adjacent, it's the hypotenuse, of course. So if we write down SOHCAHTOA, we're going to see that we're going to use sine. So it's going to be that sine 28 is equal to 6.4 divided by h. We're going to need to rearrange this. H sine 28 is equal to 6.4. That's going to mean that h is equal to 6.4 divided by sine 28. Let's work that one out. 6.4 divided by sine 28. 13.6323. 13.6323. Okay, we're still not done. I'm gonna remove these circle theorems. Actually, I quite like them. I'm gonna move them over here. Right, that is the diameter actually. So the radius is gonna equal 13.6323 divided by 2. So I'm just gonna do answer divided by 2. 6.8161. 6.8161. And finally, the area is equal to pi r squared, so it's pi times 6.8161 squared. Okay, I'm going to come to my calculator again. Notice I'm actually going to use the exact answer in my calculator. I can just write squared, and it will then square my previous answer, times that by pi, and I've got 145.95. 145.95. I'm going to round this. I mean, this would be enough for the marks, but I'm going to round it to 3 significant figures. 146 centimeters squared. Nice.